Asus ROG Phone 5. The Asus ROG 5 is the most excellent smartphone for gaming because of its design characteristics and software advantages. For non-gamers, the phone's incremental improvements on its predecessor make it a superior choice. There's a lot to explore, from its good screen to great speakers and unseen internal refinements. In this video, we will review the Asus ROG and why it's a good choice for gamers and non-gamers alike. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Coupled with an AMOLED display with HDR10+ certification, the phone has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 2440 by 1080 AMOLED screen providing clear graphics and rich colors. A thin black bar serves as a front-facing camera, making this phone sleeker and more stylish. There was only one criticism in the display: the photographs lose quality in deep shadows or dark areas. Thus, the ROG 5's Full HD Plus display of images isn't as sharp as those on phones with higher resolution displays. Despite this, the ROG 5's display is the same if not better than the displays on several smartphones. The 144Hz refresh rate is the key benefit for gamers, as it allows for far better web browsing than traditional 60Hz screens. It also makes gaming smoother at more excellent frames per second rates. The screen features a 300Hz touch sampling rate, making it significantly faster than most phones responding to finger pushes. The Asus ROG Phone 5 is instantly recognizable as a gaming phone, with space-age graphic details on the glossy rear and the illuminated ROG logo that has quickly become a signature of the ROG phone design. One thing the ROG 5 excels at is speakers. With the ROG 5, you'll hear a more balanced mix of sound from both speakers than you will from any other phone. The device features dual 12x16mm front-facing speakers with direct HD sound, which project overlapping audio layers. The ROG 5's audio can fill a room, but you won't have to cover the speakers when gaming. The phone includes 4 microphones positioned at various points around the device, at the top, right side, bottom, and beside the camera block on the back to pick up voice from all sides. The ROG Phone 5 lacks a telephoto lens, which is a common feature on higher-end smartphones. While its high-megapixel primary lens shoots sharp images, it doesn't beat the magnification of Samsung S20 and S21. Even so, the Asus ROG 5 is equipped with 3 cameras on the back. There's a 64MP primary sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide sensor with a field of view of 125 degrees, and a 5MP macro sensor. The front-facing camera, a 24MP shooter, does its job admirably. The ROG 5 manages to capture colorful and clear images in natural light. The Asus ROG 5's portrait mode isn't quite up to the standards of top-tier flagships in terms of field effects and background blur. There's a decent amount of low-light capability, although you may have to wrangle with the camera to change focus. The ROG 5 can record up to 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. It also does slow-motion video in 4K at 120 frames per second and still takes photos while filming a video. The hardware and software are fairly the same as the ROG 3. When the phone is turned horizontally, the 2 ultrasonic buttons at the top and bottom of the right side become shoulder buttons. These ROG phones are responsive and easy to map to whatever game you're playing than previous ROG phones. Armoury Crate's software hasn't changed much, but there are additional options for customizing your phone's performance for each game. New features have been added to the phone's mid-game software. This includes a more intuitive mapping interface for Game Genie and a new sports mode that eliminates distracting alerts when playing. The ROG Phone 5's 6000 mAh battery capacity is split evenly between 2 3000 mAh cells, making it one of the most power-efficient smartphones. Slow charging was introduced in the Asus ROG 3, and it's back again in the Asus ROG 5. Charging your device slowly, as if you were leaving it plugged in all night, will allow your battery to last longer. The new feature enables you to set an 80 or 90% threshold if you don't want the phone to charge overnight fully. There is no microSD card slot on the ROG 5, despite a brightly colored SIM tray on the bottom of the phone's right side. It features 128GB storage, which is a standard for most Android phones. However, the ROG 5 Pro and the ROG 5 Ultimate have 512GB of storage. Android 11 is pre-installed on the Asus ROG 5, with the standard Zen UI overlay that's both gorgeous and straightforward. It comes pre-installed with Armoury Crate's gaming software and ROG's Gamer Chic wallpapers, which come to life when X mode is turned on. The phone can support 5G, but only at sub-6 GHz frequencies. mmWave connectivity is unavailable. One downside is its high cost of about $1,000. As such, it is not a cost-effective option. Top-tier specs and top-tier performance put the Asus ROG 5 at the same level as the top smartphones. Whether it's toggling between apps, browsing the web, viewing videos, or playing games for extended periods, the phone can handle it all. It's one of the best phones for gaming and otherwise, if you don't mind its flaws. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a gamer, what do you think of the ROG 5 Android device? Are you considering parting with a handsome $1,000 for this device? Let us know what you think of it in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.